Preparing for the PMHNP exam in 2025, you don't need a year to study. With the right 30-day plan, you can cover high-yield topics, sharpen your test-taking skills, and walk into exam day confident. Here's exactly how to do it. First, let's understand the exam. The PMHNP certification exam has 175 multiple-choice questions, 25 are unscored. Core areas include patient assessment and diagnosis, psychopharmacology, therapeutic relationships, and professional practice. Aligning your study with this blueprint ensures you focus on what matters most. Now, let's get into the 30-day PMHNP study plan, a week-by-week breakdown for exam success. Week 1. Foundation and core content. Focus on building your knowledge base. Review DSM-5 psychiatric disorders like depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, and schizophrenia. Study psychopharmacology basics, mechanisms, contraindications, and side effects. Use ALWES PMHNP review guides for simplified explanations and aim to answer 50 practice questions per day to check your understanding. Week 2. Pharmacology and therapy approaches. This week, dive into antidepressants, antipsychotics, mood stabilizers, and anxiolytics. Learn to match diagnoses with first-line treatments. Review therapy modalities like CBT, DBT, and motivational interviewing. Push yourself to complete 75 to 100 practice questions daily from ALWES question banks. Week 3. Practice and weak area review. Focus on test stamina and filling in gaps. Take 2 full-length LWES practice exams. Carefully review rationales, know why answers are right or wrong. Revisit your weak areas using PMHNP study bundles and practice timed sets of 50 to 75 questions to simulate real exam pressure. Week 4. Final review and confidence building. Review condensed notes and flashcards. Study professional role, ethics, and cultural considerations. Take one last practice exam at the start of the week. The day before the exam, keep it light, avoid cramming. On exam day, rest, eat well, and trust your prep. And if you need a final boost, use the PMHNP Comprehensive Study Bundle for last-minute review. To succeed, remember these tips. Stay consistent with 2-4 hours of study daily. Focus on high-yield content. Use active recall with flashcards and quizzes. Track your progress using LWES practice exams. And don't forget balanced schedule breaks to avoid burnout. At Latrina Walden Exam Solutions, we've helped thousands of students pass their boards on the first try. Our PMHNP prep materials are written by experienced NPs, updated for the 2025 exam, designed for busy students, and proven to work. Remember, passing the PMHNP exam in just 30 days isn't just possible, it's doable with the right support. That's why we created the PMHNP Bundles at LatrinaWaldenExamSolutions.com, so you never feel like you're studying alone. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more no-problem tips, and drop a comment telling me what's the one thing that would make you feel most confident walking into your exam.